You are invited to find a symmetrical shape of your body, whether that is standing, seated, or lying down. Taking a moment or two to call our attention to our breath, and if it agrees with you, closing the eyes. We can explore this rain with compassion practice with an old memory or a current one, or maybe even just with how we're feeling right now in this moment. But you are invited to call upon a time of tension or challenge when you felt stuck. And to recognize what's going on in that moment, whether it's past or present. Recognize, acknowledge thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that are affecting you. Recognizing that we may be experiencing constricting beliefs, emotions, or physical sensations. This could just be a simple mental whisper or noting what's coming up, just allowing the mind to stay open and receive without judgment. As we've given ourselves permission to recognize what's going on, recognize where we feel stuck or what's happening, we move to the allow phase, where we allow the experience to be there just as it currently is. Letting all the thoughts, emotions, feelings, or sensations just simply be there without trying to fix or avoid anything. Accepting, allowing the reality of your experience in this moment. You might feel using an encouraging phrase or word agrees with you, such as yes, or this too, or it's okay. Allowing yourself to surrender to your current experience. So if we can keep ourselves open to the possibility of what is, we can start to investigate it with interest and care. So we just deepen our attention through our own natural curiosity. To know the truth of our current experience, our present experience. You might ask yourself, what most wants my attention right now in this moment? Or how am I experiencing this in my body? What does it feel like, and where do I feel it? You might inquire into what you are believing in this moment. Or perhaps it agrees with you to question what this vulnerable place wants from you, what it needs from you most right now. Whatever the inquiry, your investigation will be most transformational if you step away from conceptualizing and bring your primary attention to the felt sense of the body. So where is that vulnerable place? What is it longing for? Again, approaching your experience in this moment without judgment, with kindness and an open heart. Making it possible for ourselves to connect honestly with our own hurts, our own pain. And if it becomes too much at any moment, you can just step back and recognize what's going on in this moment. And yes, this can be here too. There's space for everything. I'm okay. Or perhaps the mind has wandered off with a felt sense or memory. Just acknowledge that and kindly invite the mind back to where the body is. It might agree with you too, and just investigate the breath in this moment. How is this practice playing with your breath? Perhaps you're ready to nurture yourself. Self-compassion begins to naturally arise in the moments that we recognize we are suffering. Self-compassion comes into fullness when we intentionally nurture our inner life. So what could give you some reassurance in this moment? Maybe a message. Maybe forgiveness. Maybe it's a gesture of care in this moment, like touching your heart. Or if it agrees with you, placing a hand on your cheek. Something to comfort and open your heart in this moment. Perhaps a mental whisper of, I'm here with you. I care deeply about this. I'm listening to you and I love you. If that's difficult for you in this moment, you could imagine a loved one doing it for you. They're present here and they're comforting you. Feeling your own heart being nourished. Again, notice when the mind has wandered from the practice, and with kindness, invite the mind back to where the body is. Nurturing yourself with compassion. And to complete the practice, just notice your own presence in this wakeful, tender space of awareness. What's happening for you now? How is the breath? What's the felt sense in the body? Allowing the mind to be still and just fill yourself with this nourishment. Hearts open.